Boy. Hey. These are these handy little clips that you can put on your awning.
Actually, they are very good. I think everyone knows about them, but they're very good. And always have a... being a sign writer and doing banners, you should always have that flex. So having something like you got flex down there, and we've got a bit of flex up here. So if the wind blows, it can move without putting too much pressure on everything. You get a lot more life out of it all.
It's very quiet here today, isn't it?
It is, except for the birds.
The crows are out. This is always Gibbo's job. I don't even help.
Yeah, you actually don't do much, do you?
Yes, I do. I make the bed.
You do a lot of filming and talking.
Check out that hoe.
Just in case people don't know of these. These are great. In case anything comes undone or that slips down, it's just an extra safety feature. I love them.
Yeah. Well, you could just buy a bit of Velcro strap from
make your own,
Bunnings,
whatever.
but
Yeah.
But it's just a good thing to do.
Yeah. As soon as I seen them, I thought, oh, they deserve the money.
Yeah.
And what a great idea.
We've seen someone with their awning hanging out.
Oh yeah.
It happens. Check out that Outback. You appreciate it when you've been away for so long.
Yeah. When you lived here, it was just whatever, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, show me new.
Oh yeah. What do you call the damn things? Chocks. Right, so these are our new chocks, and they come with extra pads. They're called Tread. You can use them all different ways, but that's one example. And they all pack up. The only downside is they are a little bit heavy, aren't they, Gibbo?
Yeah, they are heavy. Here they are, here. One guess.
Sisters.
Yeah. They're Andrea's slippers. They take up the whole back of the ute.
Present from my sister.
It all packs together. We've used one off this because this is for the ute for the rooftop, and we've used that one for under the jockey wheel.
But yeah, nice and compact. And we had a little accident on this trip, didn't we? Well, not accident, but we had a bit of an issue. We broke our toilet cassette.
Oh! Yeah, well, it was that much of an issue. We're so used to it now that they had one in, they didn't have one here in Broken Hill, but they had one in Mildura 300 kilometres away. So I went for a lovely little drive and bought a new one.
Day trip.
Day trip.
So we're all up and running again. Just packing up the awning because we're going to be out all day just in case we get a few gusts of wind.
And we're moving on tomorrow.
Yeah, so I might as well pack up now.
Okay, only 80%. must see when you come to Broken Hill. Get out to Silverton and check out the old Mad Max Museum. It's amazing.
The custom-designed automobiles and motorcycles that will clash in the gas-starved, not-too-distant future of Mad Max 2 are the result of months of collaboration between production designers, automotive engineers, science fiction artists, and stunt drivers. In a nightmare vision of tomorrow, this armada will terrorize a decaying civilization.
Pretty wicked, isn't it? Remember the first one when we were living here in Broken Hill and out the Pinnacles?
Yeah, we went for a drive out there and checked out the film crew.
Yeah, that was good.
The men behind these modern chariots of war are the stuntmen. Under the command of director George Miller, they prepare to bring the doomsday combat of Mad Max 2 to life before specially prepared shock-proof cameras.
The iconic Silverton Hotel. There's been a fair few movies filmed out here. I'll put up a list, and that's not even including all the commercials that were filmed out here. The first film to be recorded at the Silverton Hotel was Wake in Fright, and that was back in 1970. And you can actually find a really interesting video on YouTube about the history of the film.
Can't believe they knocked the ruins down at the back here.
This must have been really dangerous. What a shame.
But it was fenced off.
Yeah, but just collapsing forward or something maybe.
They looked great too. It was just a, I don't know, it was a bloody shame.
Have to try and find some old photos.
Yeah. Chuck those squiggly dids in here and you're going to have a good time.
Love the tables. It's nice and flash out here now.
It's great, isn't it?
It's very nice. What a great idea. They've got a heap of albums out here that have got old photos and newspaper clippings. Really pulls you into the rich history of Silverton. Must be feeding time.
How you going on, mate? Here comes his woman. Penrose Park is now used as a camping ground. And it actually looks like they're doing some new upgrades. It looks like they have good facilities and a decent playground for the kids. Back in our day, many of the locals would come here for picnics. The oval was often crowded with people playing cricket and kicking the footy around and stuff. When we were kids, I think mine would have annual Christmas event here out here. It was packed with people. They were the good old days. That's creepy. Walking into a cemetery. I'm scared already. So apparently you've got heaps of relatives here.
So my dad was born here, and yes, apparently I do have relatives here, but they probably don't have any headstones or anything, so, and I don't know names or anything like that, but there's more headstones out here than what I would have thought.
Yeah.
Died in 1888. Well, they're old enough. Those headstones look really good.
Yeah. So 1842, this one. So how are you?
Hello.
Just come out and pick a spot.
I'm just wondering why there's a gate there, thinking nobody's going to be trying to get out.
1839, I think, was the oldest I've seen.
I wonder if they'd still use it if somebody died here.
I wonder.
Yeah, that's actually a good point.
Nothing modern here.
No crosses or anything like that. So actually, they probably don't.
There was one. Oh, there's a
Oh no,
cross
there we
up
go.
there.
Out there.
It's outside the fence.
Yeah. So maybe that's why. Maybe that's the new section. That red broken hill dirt.
Yeah.
They got started to get more creative.
Yeah.
That's a good one. You know the name?
John O'Edge.
He must have been a singer.
I'm just wondering if that was Edgy. You know, well, I reckon that's who was living in the house out there, and I said, I knew an Aboriginal that was living in there.
Oh,
It was Johnny, if it is the same guy, we used to call him Johnny Edgecutter when I was on the mine. He was a gardener. This is the camping area out at the sculptures. I don't think it's got power. I think it's fully off grid. From what I've been told, it's very nice.
Can't come to Broken Hill without going to Bell's Milk Bar, can you?
Definitely not.
Let's have a look.
It's a must.
Step back in time. Zinc Lakes, great picnic area. Used to come here with the kids quite often. Still looks beautiful. Had our wedding photos done here back in 1988. God, seems so long ago. Look up where the bridge is over here. It's like they've maintained it well. Still a beautiful spot. Can't even walk over our bridge anymore. That's where we had our wedding photos done.
It is too, that's right.
Back in all the way,
I thought that was another woman. That was you, wasn't it? That's right.
all the way back in 1988. How old does that sound?
Yeah, pretty old. I'm not that old yet.
1988. Only in Broken Hill, dirt peas on the footpath. desert sturt peas. They're beautiful, aren't they? They're so different. Gibbo, how many of your signs are still around the town and still look okay over how long ago?
They're all the ugly, and they're all the ugliest ones though. All the good ones are gone. But yeah, we use a good cast vinyl, and it has just lasted and lasted. What? Minimum of 18 years old, 18 to 30 odd years old. They
Yeah.
are. I can't believe it.
And this art gallery is one of them.
Yeah. You can
And-
see it's all cracked. But this, you're going around to the other side though. That one cops a lot more sun, but even still looks good from a. This is crazy.
The old Sully's building, yes.
Hardware store.
They've restored it beautifully, haven't they?
It was so dilapidated.
Yeah. Look at that staircase.
Only a government would be able to afford to restore it. Oh, it's beautiful. It's great. Here we go.
Is it there? There it is. How cool does that look? Simple but effective. It's pretty unique, isn't it?
Yeah. Down back in the day, we were born here, and when Kiki did all this, we were sort of living here at the time, and we all going, oh, the hell has he done? And now it's just so iconic.
Yeah, that's right. Everyone's got to go to the palace, don't they?
Oh, yeah.
Exactly.
Everyone wants beer
Yeah.
and Bob's Rowing.
That's it.